Let me put you on to a place that will satisfy all your Mexican snack cravings. This is a family-owned business here in Las Vegas called Un Poco Crazy. As you can see, their menu is massive, and there is something for everyone here. From aguas frescas that you can spice up, and ceviche to raspados with or without their homemade ice cream, and even esquites with hot Cheeto powder. Man, this place got you. They even offer this deluxe pelon where you can customize your snacks with your choice of drink, and they do not shy out here. It's definitely a favorite amongst my family, so I hope you can come and enjoy it too, and get your craving fix here when you are going, un poco crazy for some snacks.